Direct transfers between Venmo and PayPal, both PayPal-owned, aren't supported, and neither holds a balance usable for cross-platform moves without intermediaries. However, you can route funds via a shared debit or credit card or a third-party app like Cash App, avoiding traditional bank links. Fees apply, 1.75% for instance. Limits, $1,000 per day on Venmo. Requires verified accounts and a card in your name.
Method 1. Via shared debit or credit card, simplest, 1 to 3 days. Link card, in Venmo app, settings, payment methods, add bank or card, enter details. Repeat in PayPal, wallet, link card. Withdraw from Venmo, UTAB, transfer, standard, free, 1 to 3 days. Select card, enter amount, transfer.
Add to PayPal, in PayPal, wallet, transfer, add money, select linked card, enter same amount, add, funds pull from card post Venmo deposit. Method 2. Via Cash App, instant, around 3.5% total fees. Order Venmo debit card, Venmo, settings, Venmo debit card, order, free, virtual instant. Link to Cash App, banking, add card, enter Venmo card details. Transfer Venmo to Cash App. Venmo, transfer, instant, select Venmo card, amount, transfer, 1.75% fee. Link Cash App card to PayPal. Cash App, get card, PayPal, wallet, link card, enter Cash App details. Add to PayPal, transfer, add money, select Cash App card, amount, instant, 1.75% fee.